Let's explore the Dawn AI Avatars app, a tool designed to enhance your selfies using advanced AI technology. This walkthrough will provide insight into the app's features and usage, shedding light on what to expect from this innovative platform amidst the flourishing landscape of AI avatar applications. The realm of AI avatars has seen a surge in popularity, with numerous apps emerging in this niche. Alongside Dawn AI avatars, notable mentions include Lancer AI and AirArt, reflecting the growing fascination with AI-driven artistry. Traditionally, AI-generated images were limited to predefined concepts like castles. However, the evolution of technology now enables users to create personalized avatars from their own photos, offering a remarkable level of customization. To achieve optimal results with Dawn AI avatars, it's essential to provide high-quality, well-lit photos featuring a single individual in various settings, angles, and facial expressions. Avoid wearing sunglasses to ensure accurate rendering. Upon uploading your images, the app's AI algorithms work tirelessly to generate unique avatars based on your inputs. The more diverse and expressive your photos are, the better the outcome will be. While the process may take some time, due to the computational intensity involved in generating avatars, Dawn AI Avatars offers a glimpse of its capabilities with free sample outputs. Users can opt for a premium subscription for enhanced features and expedited processing. Behind the scenes, developing and maintaining such AI algorithms requires substantial financial investment, with apps like Dawn AI Avatars potentially allocating significant resources to sustain operations. In addition to avatar creation, the app may offer other creative functionalities, enriching the user experience and expanding its utility beyond simple avatar generation. Although some minor issues or bugs may occasionally arise, Dawn AI Avatars provides an engaging and enjoyable platform for experimenting with personalized avatars. While not necessarily suitable for professional use, it offers a fun outlet for expressing creativity on social media platforms like Twitter or Discord. Overall, Dawn AI Avatars presents an exciting opportunity to explore the intersection of AI and self-expression, offering users a glimpse into the future of digital customization.